Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1, you can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and interiors, etc. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Outstanding guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with policies. Planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel and click the subscribe on the channel.